Everyone, welcome to JAG SSB preparation series. Let's decodify SSB with simplified law. We are now at the final day, and that is day 5, which is the conference day. In last 4 days, you have gone through so many tests to assess you whether you have that officers like quality in you or not. और at one point of time तुम किसी एक ही assessor से मिले हो. Even you have not met your psychologist, but you have met your GTA officer and your interviewing officer. The conference is the time when you will meet all your assessors at one place. This is the final test, and generally the purpose of conference is कि if they have any confusion regarding any candidate, this is the time where all the officers sit together and they decide on the basis of your conference कि whether you will get through the SSB or not. In the conference, you will be called one by your chest number. एक एक करके एक बंदा अंदर जाएगा. The conference will not be long like your personal interview. Conference तुम्हारा hardly 2 से 3 मिनट या maximum 10 minutes का होगा. इससे ज़्यादा conference room में किसी भी candidate को समय नहीं मिलता है. Generally ऐसा होता है कि it is a U-shaped conference room जहाँ तुम अंदर जाते हो और सामने एक सीट लगी होती है. You just wish everyone और तुम वहाँ पे when you were asked to sit तुम वहाँ पे बैठ जाओगे. You will ask few questions. The question might be in a general form like how was your stay, how was your SSB, or do you want to give any advice or inputs. तो ये सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जब तुमसे कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में तुमसे पूछा जाएगा. If you genuinely have any inputs ज़रूर दो and make sure कि तुमने वो चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस की हो. लाइक आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. लाइक देर इज नो डस्टबिन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम. दिस इज द इनपुट यू गिव. Why? Because you had a piece of paper and which you wanted to throw out, but because there was no dustbin, you couldn't. Then it might be possible that someone will go and check whether there was a dustbin or not, and that will be your deciding factor regarding this.